Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about healthcare, specifically the different platforms on it. In order to have a good understanding of what the different platforms are, we need to have a definition for it.
According to WHO, healthcare is services provided to individuals or communities by health service providers for the purpose of promoting, maintaining, monitoring, or restoring health. So what are all the arguments about healthcare really about? Our current healthcare system is the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. Some pros of the Affordable Care Act are this: decrease the number of uninsured Americans. The 80-20 rule forces health insurance providers to either spend at least 80% of their income in marketing expenses or return the unspent to their customers. Americans no longer have to worry about being dropped from their coverage for being sick or being denied new coverage. Some cons are, because of health insurance costs, small businesses are being hurt. 0.2% of firms in the U.S. have over 50 full-time employees, meaning those businesses have to provide health insurance to those employees. Because of this, many businesses don't give full-time shifts or they lay off workers.
The Republican Party does not like the idea of a federally controlled healthcare system. Republicans believe that the state governments should have more power and that the current administration is unconstitutionally expanding into areas like healthcare. Donald Trump's beliefs are parallel to his party's. If he becomes president, it's predicted that he would try to repeal Obamacare. Then, he would try to make it easier for privately owned businesses to provide healthcare by getting rid of the barriers that don't allow privately owned businesses to determine their own prices. For Ohio, that means cheaper healthcare costs. Something else that would come out of this is that less people are getting laid off because companies can't pay healthcare costs for employees. The Republican Party believes that placing a cap on non-economic damages in medical malpractice lawsuits will decrease the cost. This means that they plan to place a restriction on how much money a person in a successful lawsuit can receive if there was harm done to a patient that did not affect their income. Trump agrees fully with his party on this matter as well. For Ohio, this means that more people can afford it, which results in less people going bankrupt because they get sick. The Republican Party supports simplifying the healthcare system for both patients and providers and ensuring portable insurance coverage to make healthcare more accessible. Trump plans to decrease costs by modifying existing law that inhibits the sale of health insurance across state lines in order to do this. For Ohio residents, that means that they can move to a different state and not have to worry about getting a different healthcare. It also means the same for people moving into Ohio.
The majority of the Democratic Party agrees with most of the Affordable Care Act's main points. Democrats want to strengthen Medicaid for seniors and allow young adults to stay on their parents' insurance plans until they're 26. They believe the tax benefits to businesses will offset the cost of increasing coverage for employees. The Democratic Party wants to reduce premiums by providing tax relief for working families and small businesses. They believe that the tax benefits will offset the costs of increasing coverage. Additionally, Hillary Clinton would like to defend and expand the Affordable Care Act by supporting to allow people over the age of 55 access to Medicare. Democrats also believe in having affordable health care, and they share their view with the Republican Party. Hillary Clinton has the same beliefs as her party. The Democratic Party wants laws that prevent insurance companies from denying coverage for people who have pre-existing conditions, capping or canceling coverage, and charging women more due to their gender. Thanks for watching. I hope you can make a more informed decision on